Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Meghalaya government asserts no illegal infiltration detected so far. Believes BSF maintain vigil across state. The Voice of the People's Party expresses displeasure over the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council holding just a single day of its summer session instead of the designated 3. Meghalaya government instructs Health Department to draft a cabinet memorandum for a mission mode policy to counter HIV crisis. And Khaima Sora imposes eco rules on tourists, bans open cooking and littering along Maukdok Road. The news in detail. Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police, Preston Tinsong, has stated that there is no information of infiltration or illegal immigrants into Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters, Tinsong said till today there is no information of any infiltration into the state, while assuring that the government will update the public if any detection or infiltration is reported. He said the state police and BSF are on alert and continuously monitoring the situation.
We have already requested that, and then let us see. And once we get the indication from their side, then we will accordingly fix the date. In fact, be it the BSF, be it the custom, be it our police from the state, we are on the job, and then we are already instructed all the concerned forces to be more vigilant and to be more proactive to detect those illegal immigration if it happens in any parts of our state.
The Voice of the People's Party expressed displeasure over the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council holding just a single day of its summer session instead of the designated 3. VPP MDC G. Susngi said this denied representative the opportunity to raise public concerns. The party also criticized Deputy Chairman Siang Shai for failing to address key opposition questions.
Haga apa witrik umi ajar kosan. Kini cikli orang ini to daga proof ko sakhi yo wa kontra da kular ue le pau khande krur ya konsul nadu umi ajar pawi tarik ajar kosan. Kemudian haduk ni mo depo ko cika atanai tam. Haduk ni kesniwan yo nam yo kata pesaran tip kat wan yo gila tip but kawan yo gila tip but kawan sugi sebetulnya boleh kau mengatakan sugi arabanai but kawan kurang sak tip.
With HIV cases doubling annually and treatment gaps widening, the state has asked the Health Department to draft a cabinet memorandum for a mission mode policy. This was decided at a high-level review chaired by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Health Minister Amprin Lingdor stated the state may resort to extraordinary pandemic-style measures if needed.
Obviously is related and linked directly to the increasing numbers of HIV/AIDS in the district. We will be going from one district to another. We've just completed the East Khasi Hills meeting today, and we will likely be having the West Garo Hills meeting in the leadership of Honorable Speaker himself. I had spoken to him. He was in agreement.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that the recruitment exam process for various state posts has concluded and results are being compiled. An estimated 36,000 to 37,000 candidates applied. He confirmed receiving a malpractice complaint and has asked the DGP to investigate it thoroughly.
The recruitment process for the written exam is completed, and now we are in the compiling stage. So hopefully very soon we'll be able to declare the result. But it is not less than 37,000. Not less than 37,000.
The government expects the new bridge below UMAM Dam to be ready by year-end, allowing heavy vehicles into Shillong. Power Minister A.T. Mondal said CCTV and security staff are in place 24/7 to prevent heavy vehicles from using the dam, which was repaired last year. Some attempts to break through the gate have been reported.
That we are having 24/7 security personnel posted at the dam site, so they are taking care of it. Moreover, we have put permanent gate so that nobody can raise and come. That is second thing. TVs have also been installed at site.
Hundreds of Kandala vendors have been relocated to the Muda parking area after a 2-year process. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdor called it a historic day. Of 1,400 surveyed vendors, 407 were found eligible, with 311 already issued certificates of vending. Financial support includes 10,000 rupees for relocation and 2,000 rupees per month for 5 months.
A comprehensive survey was conducted and it included 1,400 street vendors who were part of this survey. And in the first phase, we prioritized Kandala since it is the most important, the busiest commercial area of the state capital.
Khaima Sora has raised serious concern over the growing threat to the region's natural landscape and ecological balance and announced a slew of stringent regulations along the Majang Sora Road and other surrounding areas. Addressing the media at the Shillong Press Club, advisor Alan West Kharkongor said open cooking and picnicking are banned without prior permission. Vehicles must carry waste bags and night camping is only allowed at approved sites. Trekking now requires hiring local guides.
Number one, open picnic and open cooking will now be banned. Strictly prohibited anywhere along the Majang Sora Road. The same is not allowed in other sites and locations beyond Majang and Sora Road without the permission of the local professional. Parking of vehicles with public consumption of food or alcohol along the Majang Sora Road is also banned.
The Non-Gazetted Employees Association or NGAA of GHADC will hold a peace rally from William Point on July 28 to demand the release of at least 12 months' salary out of 42 months pending. NGAA President B.M. Sangma said the decision comes after a 12-day sit-in protest failed to get a response. Future steps will be decided post-rally.
I would like to inform all our citizens because we are not getting our salary for 42 months. So we have the protesting from the 7th July till that.
7 तारीख से अभी तक हम लोग स्ट्राइक कर रहा है चीट डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन साइलेंट एंड चीट डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन अभी तक जो अथॉरिटी है ना वो लोग कोई भी अभी तक जवाब नहीं दिया.
Braving 35 degrees Celsius plus heat, traffic personnel in Nongpor continued managing busy junctions under scorching conditions. With little shade and no hydration facilities, they drew admiration from commuters. Citizens urge authorities to provide umbrellas, drinking water and shift-based duties to support the frontline staff. Khatsao Pra College, Myang, today organized a graduation day ceremony to honor students who successfully completed their degrees under the 2022-25 academic batch. The graduating students, numbering 495, included those who earned degrees in BCom Honours and BA Honours. These graduates are among the first few batches to pass out from the institution since its establishment in 2017 in Myang, East and West Khasi Hills district. Apart from awarding graduation certificates, the college also distributed tablets to Class 12 students as part of a government initiative. The Office of the Director General of Police today felicitated Alan Marbanyang and Wandalin Myang for winning gold in the World Police and Fire Games held in Birmingham, Alabama. Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police, Preston Tinsong, lauded their remarkable achievement, stating that to win a gold medal is often only a dream. But through dedication and hard work, Meghalaya has turned that dream into reality. The ceremony marked a moment of pride and inspiration for the entire state, celebrating the triumph of two exceptional athletes on the world stage.
The family of these two great leaders, two great son and daughter of Meghalaya, Wandalin Myang, Alan Marbanyang, along with your parents, your family members, God will shower His blessing. I am very sure you will continue to aim and to have also the ambition of getting more laurels.
The Myang Super League 2025 kicked off at Dom Mao Lom Ground, Pindeng Umyong. MFA President Hamletson Dolling inaugurated the tournament and donated an ambulance to the local sports association through the CM Special Development Fund. The opening match featured Mission SSCC versus Mission United FC. The weather report. Firstly, let's take a quick look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 25 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 34 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 79% and rainfall was recorded at 16.8 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 25 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 90% and rainfall was recorded at 4.1 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, minimum temperature was recorded at 20 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 90%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and July indicates moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Meghalaya government asserts no illegal infiltration detected so far. Police BSF maintain vigil across state. The Voice of the People's Party expresses displeasure over the Janta Hills Autonomous District Council holding just a single day of its summer session instead of the designated 3. Meghalaya government instructs Health Department to draft a cabinet memorandum for a mission mode policy to counter HIV crisis. And Khaima Sora imposes eco rules on tourists, bans open cooking and littering along Makdok Road. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.